Carlton, I don't know if we can take on that now, my plate full.
But it not have to be you directly. You can pass it on to one of the efficient investigator them and then you monitor it.
Who missing now?
Trevor Sullivan.
Trevor Sullivan? Your developer friend?
Wait. Easy with the friend part. Friend is relative. That's a very strong word.
I know. I use it loosely because I know you and him always at odds.
Well, yeah.
So where you want to locate him for now?
You see, it look like him involved in some things. And police are linking me, ask me if me know him whereabouts.
Them find drugs out when I'm baby mother yard. And as them ask him for coming, him choose for go up on the run.
So you know the details?
Yeah.
So how you not hunt him down?
Carlton, I know everything the agency are going to take on. We know about it, yes, but this is for regular police.
Your boss is well and take on the case over 14 though.
The case that Mr. Mullins decide to take on is by his choice. We just follow orders.
I hear you. It seems like some of him case them personal though.
Not the Mullins will do. Whatever him do is always in the best interest of the law. And bringing those who feel like them above the law to justice.
You must admit say him methods them unconventional sometimes though.
Carlton, stop. You are a big developer, aren't you?
Yeah.
A area that is very competitive and dangerous.
Your point?
My point is, Carlton, you always conventional in the dealings you do?
Me love how you skillfully switch the argument from your boss to me.
Because I trust him judgment and him never yet let down the agency. No matter how unconventional you and your brother may think he is.
Hold on. So we're going to Marcus now. And I mean you attack.
Don't be a hypocrite, Carlton. You know say your brother want to shut down the agency and are the same reason him use. But unconventional.
Okay man. Me and Marcus are not Siamese, you know. We might share the same bloodline, but we are not twin. And if we're twin, we don't think the same way.
Sometimes it seems that way.
Really, Bubbles?
Really, Carlton. Remember say me know you on a personal level. We've been through some shit.
And they say I go with this.
Yes. Same place. Carlton, you remember say you put a bullet in my chest? And if me never have on a vest, we would not be having this conversation now.
Well.
Don't move. So wanna not talk about unconventional. You and your brother nothing talk. Just make your brother know say the agency are gonna be long after him.
My. So you help me up. Even though you and your friend them try to kill me.
Carlton, I not have you up, you know. I just not forget what happened.
Me neither. But you see, we have very different accounts of what happened.
Alright. You hold on to your account, I'll hold on to mine.
So, I guess that means you're not going to take on the case of me and ask you to take on.
Trevor Sullivan up on the run. And police are look for you. For whatever I'm involved in now, it's deeper than where they on the surface. Now you are asking me to locate him? Alright. Me keep an eye out. But be careful what you ask for. Because it might unravel more than you bargain for.
What that's supposed to mean?
Me mean, You asking for Trevor Sullivan has more to it. Me see it now your face.
My face? Okay, Miss Detective. You must can read minds.
Yeah, I'm a detective. And I'm damn good at detecting things. Well, if there's nothing else to discuss, I have to get ready to go on. Oh, and send my retainer. Same account.
Hold on. So you tax me now?
It's my job, Mr. Wallace.
Still look sexy when you're angry though. Now you Mickey Mouse shots.